General quarters, all hands man your battle stations.
The purpose of this how-to video is to show you how to install a soft patch using the materials found in the pipe patching kit.
3.
Step 1, secure the flow of liquid. Step 2, remove any jagged edges with a hacksaw.
3.
Step 3, insert your soft wedge into the damage.
3.
Step 4, mark a line along the pipe onto your wedge and remove from the hole.
Step 5, once the wedge is removed, cut a 1/2 inch below the marked line. Step 6, camelback wedge with oakum, insert into pipe, and cut flush.
Step 7, measure and cut a piece of sheet rubber packing so that it extends 2 inches on either side of the damaged area and will wrap around the pipe, leaving a 1/4 inch gap between the ends. Step 8, hold in place tightly wrapping with 2 layers of marlin twine, starting from the center of the patch and working to each side so that it extends at least 1 inch. Be sure to leave a 6-inch tail in the center to tie off the marlin.
3.
Step 9, trim the other side of your marlin, leaving a second 6-inch tail and tie in the center. Step 10, energize the system and check for leaks.